Hey, how's it going guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna begin a new series about JavaScript DOM elements. This is the introduction. You're not gonna learn in this episode but the next episode if you want to. So let's begin. um, we know everything is created in the web is HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So how you gonna add JavaScript to it to your what we call web page? So this is the way you can do this. This is the console where you can do everything you want. So before we begin, what we're gonna cover is we're gonna make this app which have a feature of search, adding elements, something like this. It added to that, hiding all the products, the delete operation, the edit operation, and with the done, and tablet and a footer with the header. So this is the way we're gonna make, and there's other thing to it. I'm not gonna teach you anything about CSS or HTML. So if you need this template, just go to my GitHub page. You just link is in the description, first link in the description below, and don't you worry about that though. And if you want to learn HTML and CSS, I have a full-blown tutorials on those, so go and check it out. And before you watch this, you need Atom. You can also use Sublime Text or what we call PS Studio or brackets maybe if you want it. And yeah, we're gonna use this website a lot, so yeah, bookmark that out. And we also gonna teach about this representative state transfer. I know you don't know what that means. It's the REST operation for calling the backend API. So with the JSON, we're gonna learn about those two. And the text editor doesn't matter, but one thing that really matters, which is a bunch of packages like emit, the what we call JavaScript support, Atom JavaScript, and Atom Live Server. So hope you guys understand. We're gonna begin on the next tutorial. See you guys then.